I'm going to give you a blueprint that will help you actually analyze what is happening, what is actually making stop your productivity, and how you can easily change that. And this decreasing your productivity, it could be because of the energy, it could be because of the routine, it could be because of the gaps you had in between productivity, it could be because of some emergency tasks that came and changed the entire routine of yours, whatever the. So if you are someone who has been trying to be productive, that's what you wanted for yourself and that's what you want, but there is some kind of issues that you're not able to figure out why, even though I'm trying to do what I can best in the day, I'm not feeling satisfied and I'm not feeling that excited as I was before. When I started being productive, I was very energetic, I was very enthusiastic, but now it's coming to the point that I'm just doing and I'm not enjoying my productivity. This video is totally for you. So see, why I called it as a blueprint is because I'm going to give you step by step what you have to do, but I'm going to give you some big powerful 3 questions, not more. The 3 questions that you're gonna answer along with this video, and watch it when you have a pen and paper with you, so you can do as I said, because we are not giving any lazy activity or mindset any excuses to not be productive, and we need this video right now. So get your pen and paper and let's start. The reason why I'm telling you this, to have a pen and paper, and why can't you just think about it, why am I telling you to write it down and write out, is because let me tell you why we are not able to hit the core of the problem. Many a times we think this is what will help me get back in my productivity, and you start doing that, but that doesn't help. You start doing something else that you comes up your mind, that doesn't help. Let me give you why it doesn't help. When we sit with the problem and we ask ourselves what is the problem that is happening, our mind has not been trained that much to be focused in a particular question. Okay, eventually after giving you 3 or more options, it will start thinking about something related to it, sub-related to it, and you will be distracted, and the core options will be very less in your hand what you can do. This process, by having a physically hand and paper, like pen and paper in your hand, will actually help very easily your brain to focus on this particular question. It will help you get to the bottom of it, because now your brain has been physically put into that situation that I am doing this activity. I'm not just sitting around listening to my music or distracted by any way and I'm just thinking of the solutions. I'm actually writing it down and I am focused. So your brain will be very easily focused in actually getting those results out, because you have given a physical connection to that thought process, and now that will become much more easier for you to dig deeper into the answers of your problems. Okay, listen to your mind, listen to your conscious and subconscious mind and your inner voice itself, because guys, no one in this world knows you better than you, other than God, because God knows your future, your past self, everything about you. So other than God, the only person who knows you the best is you and your inner world. Your inner world includes your body, your organs, your inner voice, your conscious mind, your subconscious mind, everything. This structure, this activity will help you listen to them and they will give you the answers. The first question that you have to ask is, what am I feeling right now? Sit in a very quiet environment with a peace of mind that I let my inner world tell me, my brain, my subconscious mind, my inner voice. I am listening to my inner voice and I'm asking these questions to myself. Now, the first question that I said, what am I feeling right now? Process will start as saying that I'm feeling lack of motivation, or whatever you are feeling right now. I'm not feeling this, I'm feeling that, blah blah, whatever. Don't stop there, and write in a very peaceful mind, write in a mindset that you are not just writing what you know, you are also writing and be aware what your inner voice is telling you to write, because it might not sound relatable, but it will be if you just keep on writing, because many of the inner voices that we have are the carriers to those core problems. Because I have written it, that's why I'm able to tell you. Because whatever comes from inside, just write it down. Whatever you think you're feeling right now, write it down. And whatever, when you are writing down what you already know, maybe in between you will also think that, oh, okay, something inside, from the inside, or your mind will tell you, I'm also feeling this, and keep on writing. So you will have a bottom of the things, that whatever are you feeling right now. So this is the first step, and stop this video right here. Whoever is watching is doing right now, do this and take your time. Imagine we are trying to get deeper into our own world, in our own ocean of the life, and now we have just touched the surface that said what are we feeling right now. So I hope you are done with the first step, and now you are aware, your mind is aware what you are feeling right now. Because we cannot get the problems out and the solutions out if we don't even know what we are facing problem with, right? It's a very obvious thing. Second and the most important question that we're gonna ask is, why am I feeling these emotions? Now this one is a bit complex question, because we are not gonna write this just, as I said, not just what we are thinking in our mind and whatever we can think of, but also be very calm about it and let your inner self say something. While I was doing myself, I will give you an example, because that's how it will make more sense. I was feeling sad. I wrote all of these things. I'm not gonna say entire thing, but like I said, write everything that you can think of. Don't think that it is important or not, should I write it or not. Write every single thought that you're coming in your mind, because like I said, it will be a carry thought for the core problem. So this is first thing. This is the second question that is very important to ask, that why am I feeling this? And this will give you answers. Just trust the process, and now is the time you write, why am I feeling like this? What is the reason? Even if you want to write in the starting of the sentence is, because I'm not being productive, because I'm not able to do the task that I promised myself I wanted to do, that because I'm not able to be consistent, because I'm not able to be dedicated to certain tasks. Whatever it is, start with that. Eventually you will get more deeper into it when you write. Why? After writing it down, we are now digging deep into the ocean. You are like a water-based plant, okay? The surface has been touched, the bottom and the roots are we are aiming for now. So the third and the most powerful question that you have to ask yourself is, what can I do to change this feeling right now? Now this question is the most powerful, and you need to really listen to me very carefully what you will do in answering this question, because this is the question that will ultimately give you the answers. And you have to thought process, and your the way of writing and the mindset would literally matter while answering this question, because you need to connect and let your inner voice understand and give you the answers. Because like I said, your inner world is also not enjoying not being productive, just like you are not. It also wants to help you. When you will be asking this question, like what you can do and how you can change these feelings, you will answer the question in the present tense and only present tense, as in, I am feeling this, I can do this, I can like this. Okay, write it down in the present tense. The importance of it is because your brain is constantly thinking, I am doing, I am working like this. That will actually put a very focus on your brain, and it will tap into your subconscious mind that you are doing something right now to overcome, and it will eventually start giving you, your mind is like a computer, you search for the solution, it will automatically generate answers for you. You just have to put the right keywords. For saying that you have already tried doing didn't work out, you don't have to write it there. No, everything that you think that you can do and you only did, or even if you did it already, write it down. Because you are trying to tap into your mind that I need solutions right now. You are trying, because that's when the answers is complete from your end, right? That's when your mind will actually start to think that what else. In a conscious mind, will start to generate answer, because now you are done from your end. That's all you can think, and now your inner voice is going to give you answers. This, why am I emphasizing on the inner voice? Because that's what will happen and has happened with me. After writing down 3 or few sentences, what happened with me was I wrote something I didn't even know was affecting me. And many a times we think that the problem is not that thing what we are doing, because we think that how can that problem be a issue, but maybe that problem is not a issue. The managing and how we can manage could be the issue. So this will literally help you go to that deeper level, and this is how you're gonna do it. Write it down, start with this, and then let your brain work for you. Write it down everything you can and you could have done and you have already done, and then after that your mind will give you answers. Sit with this question for as long as you want, and literally if you will coming with a mindset that I am done and I don't know what to do, and I want my inner world, I want my God, I want my soul to tell me the answers, just start. Before writing these answers, just say, I now let my inner child, my inner voice, my mind to give me the answers that will help me get back on the track. That was not my case before, because I've already tried what I could have done. It's not helping. You are the people I look forward to, because you know me very well. You are the only person who live with me, right? Inside world is what we live with, and that's gonna help us. So do this activity and let me know if this was really helpful. After completing this activity, I'm pretty sure you will get something out of it that will keep you moving to generate more answers. Don't forget to ask these questions whenever you want, whenever you're stuck. Maybe you are thinking about something. Don't let yourself be distracted while answering those questions. You have to be consistent. You have to put it with a focus, because that's why I'm giving you a pen or paper task, because that will seriously help you very easily stay focused. So if you really like this video, let me know in the comment section, guys. What do you think about this video? What did you find in doing this activity? And also let's just connect and subscribe to this channel and connect and grow together. Stay tuned, stay healthy, stay positive, and keep growing, guys. Until next time, bye bye.